Did you know you have a prospecting tool built directly into your CRM? Well, I should say you do if you're using HighLevel or GoHighLevel. After 16 years of using a variety of different platforms, this is the one that we've hung our hat on. If you've watched our channel at all before, you know we have a lot of tutorials on this platform. So one of the tools that I feel like a lot of people have no idea even exist is called the prospecting tool. Now, this tool is extremely helpful for marketers. It gives you a full marketing audit of the prospects that you're searching for. However, I think it has a lot of validity for almost any business in terms of locating anyone within a certain niche in a certain area. That's why I wanted to showcase it today. We do work with other types of marketing agencies because we all specialize a little bit differently. And at Marketex, we really focus on the technology and automation side of marketing. So this actually does work really well for our other marketing clients. But again, I think it has application for almost any type of business. So why don't we take a look and you can decide. Okay, but here we are inside of HighLevel, or better yet, our version called Marketex Engine. From the left-hand side, you go to marketing, and then over on the top menu, you go to prospecting. And we are working in the premium prospecting application. So this is an add-on service. Not everybody's going to want to do this. Totally get it. But I think this offers some really interesting options, again, built into your CRM. And that's the important part here. That's the important part about HighLevel in general, is the fact that so much is built in, baked in. So across here, we have the options within the prospecting. Here under all accounts, what you're going to see is a list of all the prospects that have come into your HighLevel account one way or another. And there's an AI option, there's a widget option, you can manually add prospects. There's lots of different ways that you can bring people into this prospecting piece. And it's going to show just a full list here, and I'm not really going to scan down through this list at the moment because these are real prospects. The only way for me to demo this for you is actually to bring you into my live account. So we're going to hide as much information as possible and show you what we can. But what you can see is you'll have the name across the top. You'll see some different categories that they might be in. Then you'll have the contact information. You'll also have options here at the bottom for marking them won or lost, deleting them as a prospect, as well as sharing the marketing report with them, which is a really nice feature if you are someone who sells marketing services. Or maybe you're a consultant and you're not a marketer, but you want to be able to say, hey, I have this system that spits out marketing reports. Thought you might be interested in it. It's sort of a value add. We also have, you can open the contact, which is actually going to open the contact over here in your contacts. You can download the report as a PDF. So instead of sending them the link, maybe you want it as a PDF, or you want to save it with all your client files on that particular client. You could also download it and upload it to AI to have it help you with a variety of things for this prospect or future client, as well as just reviewing the report on your own. There's some different things here that you can look at. And like you see here, you can create categories, you can look at the sources where they came from, and the statuses. Let's move on to some of the other options, which are kind of interesting. Prospect AI. This is something that you can turn on. You can have AI go out and find you leads, find you prospects on a regular basis. I'm interrupting this video to make sure that there is no confusion about HighLevel or about how to work with me. If you want to try HighLevel but don't want to waste months trying to figure it out, I have two very clear options for you to consider. If you're looking to build an agency or a SaaS business, head over to marketex.com/HighLevel. By using our affiliate link, which costs you nothing, you will get the following bonuses. Our Marketex Engine Core Snapshot. This is all of the features that we install in every new Marketex Engine user account, and we're giving it to you for free as an affiliate. Our onboarding guides and access to our private community. An invitation to join our weekly live office hours, where I personally will answer questions and even share tips that I've learned throughout the week. And I'm constantly learning. There is so many new features and things to learn in this industry as a whole, not to mention within the HighLevel platform. Plus, we'll give you our additional templates, checklists, and migration guide. That's option number one. Option two is if you are a business owner just looking to improve your own tech stack and you don't want to do it alone. You would like a trusted strategic partner in your corner that speaks the language, brings you time-tested automations, proven strategies, and up-to-date learning. Then go to marketexengine.com and book a consultation with me to learn more about our high-level agency, Marketex Engine, and joining our ecosystem. I'm also currently offering discounts on one-on-one consulting to any of our affiliates and high-level users. So whether you're building an agency or building a business, pick your path and let's drive results. Now, back to your regularly scheduled programming. You can have AI go out and find you leads, find you prospects on a regular basis. And this is where you can build what you're looking for. For example, I put in a target area of Portland, Maine, because I live in Maine. And I put in the type of people that we work with: business management consultants, business development services, and general consultants. And then this is going to go and look for them. Right now it's deactivated because I wanted to show you how you could edit these agents instead of just building one from scratch, but it is similar. You give it a name, you can put in the specialty, and then you can choose what your target is. And you can see it gives you some ideas. So this is why I'm saying you don't have to necessarily just be selling marketing services to look for, say, people that are plumbers in an area. Maybe you help plumbers with their bookkeeping. You could do a search for local plumbers. Yes, it's going to give you a marketing report for them that you may not need, but that's okay. And if you were a bookkeeping service giving plumbers a marketing report, again, that might be a nice value add. But I'm looking for consultants in a couple of different areas. I put in my target location. Then I put in how many leads I'm looking for, as well as how often I want it to go out, what day of the week. You can select the strength of the prospect finder, the radius. You can look for somebody with or without a website. If you're selling websites, maybe you want people without a website. If you're selling a way to get reviews for somebody, maybe you want to search for people with above or below certain ratings, and then the ability, a possible conversion rate, whether they're actually going to convert or not. So there's a couple different things you can do there. I'm going to save and continue. And then again, this has to do a little bit more with the marketing side of things, but you can say which audit options you want to turn on, which features you actually want in this. And then finally, you can choose whether it's going to enrich the data, whether it's going to pull out the contacts for the actual business, actually try to find you contacts for that business, and whether you want it to automatically add them to your CRM, to the contacts section over here in your CRM. And coming soon, as you can see, you're going to have SMS and email templates where you could just send those off. This you do have to be a little bit careful of because obviously you don't have permission to market to these people yet. So as far as marketing rules and marketing laws, you want to just make sure you're careful with that, you're aware of that. More often than not, I'm suggesting that you pull these lists and then reach out one at a time, not so much through the CRM, but rather that you call the business or just send them an email through your regular Outlook or whatever it is that you're using. And then you would update the agent and that would actually turn it on. I'm just going to hit cancel at this time. That is one way to find prospects and bring them into the system. It's like a really fancy way of doing a Google search where you can actually filter stuff. Next, we have a widget. And again, for the marketers, this is actually really interesting because this could be a lead magnet right here. You can actually add, and I will show you, I have a preview here of mine. I created this widget and you can add this to your website. Now I can have people go to my website and generate a marketing audit, which actually puts them in my system. And it's a lead magnet now, as simple as that. So if you are in marketing, that's where that could be really helpful. You have an instant lead magnet. Next up is the report builder. This is the output of the report, and a couple of things here that you can customize as far as branding, colors, header, introduction wording, footer, that sort of thing. But the actual content, the material on the page is going to be generated by the system. Then you have analytics. You can see how many that I've actually run through here. We've played with it a little bit, run a couple tests, those types of things. So you can see we have a couple in here. And then finally, we have settings here. And under settings, you can see where you can choose the different types of websites that you want it to audit. You can also choose the layout. You can rearrange the information on the layout if you are actually planning on using the marketing audit itself. And that's where this comes into play. You can also manage your subscription here because, like I said, this is a premium add-on for HighLevel. And then you have the option here of whether it's auto creating contacts from the new prospects that you put in. And this also means when you add a prospect. So you can add a prospect here if you know of a dentist, a lawyer, a plumber that you actually want to add in as a prospect. That's where you can search for them and add them right in there. And then under the settings, you will see that it is going to add them as a new contact as well. And then one of the things that is really helpful for anyone that's doing any form of marketing or anyone that wants to add marketing to maybe some other business service that they're offering is that you can actually trigger these within workflows in HighLevel. For example, if somebody books an appointment with us, a consultation with us, my workflows are now automated. They're now turned on to automatically create a marketing audit for that person. It doesn't necessarily send it to them. They don't necessarily know that it happened, but it internally for me, that is now a tool that happens automatically. So if I have a new consultation with somebody coming up, I will get that marketing audit as soon as they book the appointment. So that's really interesting in terms of anyone that would benefit from marketing knowledge before a meeting. Again, you don't necessarily have to be a marketer. You can actually trigger this through workflows now. There you have it. That is an overview of the prospecting tool that is found directly inside your HighLevel subscription. So if your CRM doesn't have built-in tools like this, workflows, prospecting, appointment setting, all of these types of tools, then check the description down below, book a consultation with me, and I'd be happy to share your marketing audit with you. Also, I'll have a link down below where you can actually test out the marketing audit and see how it looks for yourself. If you have any questions, please drop them down below as well, and I hope you will like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.